Cannot change password on Adyen Fix. If you're trying to change your password on Adyen, but it's not working, don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because Adyen's security system works a bit differently than most platforms. Here's how to fix it quickly and safely. First, understand that Adyen does let you change your password while logged in for security reasons. To start, go to the official Adyen login page, not a saved bookmark or third-party link. Then, click on Forgot Password. This is the proper method even if you still remember your current password. Enter the email address associated with your Adyen account. This is important, even a small typo will block the reset process. Once you've submitted your email, check your inbox right away. Adyen will send a password reset link that expires in about 30 minutes. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. When you open the link, follow the on-screen steps to create a new password. Adyen requires a strong one, at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number, and a special character. Avoid using your old password or any common phrases. Adyen system will reject weak options automatically. If you're still having trouble, clear your browser's cache, switch to incognito mode, or try a different browser. Security cookies can sometimes interfere with the reset process. And here's a tip most people miss: if your account is managed through your company's Adyen admin portal, you might not have permission to change the password directly. In that case, reach out to your system administrator to trigger a reset from their end. So, if you can't change your Adyen password, it's usually not a bug, it's just Adyen's strict security working as intended. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to regain access to your account safely in no time.